Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna learn time. Today is our 7th live session of maths. 7th live session. Yesterday I gave you homework also, I think. So please, if you have done, so write it in the comments. I every time open the comments. And today's topic will be time. You know all about time, but today we were going to learn in a different. Today is 29 September 2021. Okay. Now we should start our topic. Now, you know that in 12-hour clock we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But in 24-hour clock you saw that 1 is 13, 2 is 40, 3 is 15, 4 is 16. We have saw in mobiles that when it will be 1 o'clock, it will be written 13 o'clock, like this. And in 24-hour clock, we cannot even put these dots, and we cannot even put these dots. There should be nothing, empty. Only you have to write 0, 2, 0, 0 if there is night of 2 o'clock. Now we have to make 2 clocks. I have to only. Okay, let me come here because I'm gonna make 2 clocks. Color it like this and like this. Then make a small dot over here and make a small dot over here. Okay, and now we should come over here. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. It should be over here. 11. Same we have to write over here. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now this is our 12-hour clock. And this is a 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock. Now for this you have to explain. So you have to make another outliner for this circle. Over. And one will be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 0, 0. When in your mobiles you have on, when your time is night of 12 o'clock, what time will it come? 0, 0, dot, dot, 0, 0. And in normal, when it is 12 p.m. sorry. So your time will be 1, 2, dot, 0, 0. Sorry, I forgot. Again I did this mistake. You should not do this mistake. In 24-hour clock, there should be no dots. Only like this. And in 12-hour clock, there should be dot. Okay. Now I will tell you some questions over here, and then we have to tell our answers. Okay. Our first question is 1 o'clock. 1 p.m. 23 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 2 o'clock. these are your times. Wait a minute, I should write two more. Now, you know, I just told you right now, this will be 24-hour clock. How? Now, no, there is only, I think, one difference. No, there are two differences that you can find out what is 24-hour clock and what is 12-hour clock. Now, what you have to, now how to figure it out? You got two times. One is 23 o'clock and one is 10 o'clock. Now, how to figure out that they are different? Now, there must be no dot at 23 o'clock. And why it is 23? It must be 11 o'clock. This is the very big difference what we can find in time. Okay, now 1 o'clock will be over here because we are doing PM. 23 o'clock will be 11 o'clock. 14 o'clock will be 2 o'clock. 17 o'clock will be 5 o'clock. 19 o'clock will be 7 o'clock. 20 o'clock will be 8 o'clock. 22 o'clock will be 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 12 o'clock will be here. 5 o'clock will be over here. And 10 o'clock will be over here. Okay. Now we have learned that how to figure out that what is 12-hour clock and what is 24-hour clock. Now let's start with some questions. Yes. First we will do some questions, okay? Then we will do, okay? Now I have to rub this board. We are not doing, when I explain you in some questions, so don't think that you have to. You have to just see how I am explaining. And when I tell you, you have to do these questions and write me in the comment section. So please, whoever see my videos, please and please tell me the answers of the questions also. Thank you. Who are subscribing me, I'm very thank you to them. Okay. Now let's now question is, a car leaves town A. Let's make a name for town A. Town A will be London. A car leaves from London at 21:15. 21:15 will be converted into 9:15 on Wednesday. It arrives at New York at 5 whole 1/2 hours later. At what time and date does the car arrive at town B? In which time the car arrived in town B, which is called New York? First, we investigate and we got 5 whole 1/2. First, we have to convert it into 1/2 is half. So what we will do? We will add 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, because half is 60, half 30. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write in which time the car left. The car left at 21:15. This is again a 24-hour clock time, and we have to plus 5. 26:15. 26:15 is not a time in our clock. So we write bracket 0:15 plus 30 minutes. Plus will be converted into 245. How we are getting this? Because by minus. Okay. Yes. Oh yes. A statement. A statement in the car arrives at 2:45 a.m. on Thursday. Now where the car go? In one day. It's hard to know, but I think we can do it. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do some questions. 24. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do first. First, we have to do only a little questions, very small. I think I should do with you 24 hour, and you can do 12-hour notation. It is very easy. We have to just convert. Very easy. Now they are saying that you got 8 a.m. 8 p.m. Then you got 9:42 p.m. 9:42 p.m. Now you got midnight. Now you got 2:42 p.m. Now midnight will be converted into 0000. 8 p.m. will be converted into remember by the clock what it will be. 20 o'clock. 9:42 p.m. will be converted into 21 o'clock. 21:42. 2:42 p.m. will be converted into 14:42. Okay. Now I will write 4 questions over here. These will be your homework. Okay, you have to do it. And please, I am requesting you who have already subscribed me, please, I am writing these questions for you. Then write me in the comments. Sorry if I am a little bit angry, because or else I will I think I don't unlock the comments, that's why you cannot comment. Okay, I will then do the situation. Okay, now I'm just coming. Okay, I'm just coming in this second. Question is 0330 23 12 1915 and 0000. Convert them into 12. Write me in the comment section below. Okay, this was the today lesson. Okay, for now, Allah Hafiz.